Hello there, it's Ali here from the Needle Rock Workshop. I thought I'd show you a chair that's just arrived in, probably an hour ago. I'm aware I'm always showing you pictures of the finished pieces as they leave and not as they come in. So this has just arrived with us. You can see we haven't done anything to it. This is the state it's come in. So this is what we call a pin stuff chair. So it's got traditional upholstery on the top. This is horsehair. And it's just a thin padding really, and then that would have obviously some other layers on there to stop the horsehair from sticking in your bum, then your fabric, and then a nice bit of braid coming along to hide where the fabric is attached to the wood. So this is what we call the show wood here, so all this would still be exposed. This chair is beautiful. It's got a lot of detailed inlay. Can you see that? And it's all throughout the chair. It's a little bit like a barber's pole. And then we've got more inlay here. So it's a nice looking chair. It's curvature in nature, but then when you come down to the front legs, it's actually very square. So never seen one like this before, but every day is a new day in the workshop. We never know what's coming in next. I've just picked it up to put it on the table and realised that actually this spill here is broken. We've got a bit of loose, we've got a gap here. So once this is stripped down of the upholstery, it will be sent to Gordon and he'll do the repairs on it, and then it will come back for the beginning of its restoration. So you can see here, there's an old bit of damage here, but that's, can you get in there, Anne? Can you see that? That's fine, that's solid, nothing wrong with that repair, and so we wouldn't even touch that. We would, however, get rid of all this paint and give it a damn good clean, and then polish it up to make it clean. So I just thought it was useful for you to see. We'll pull this off. Obviously it's got the hessian on here, that will come off, the old webbing, all this will totally be stripped. But I just thought it was perhaps a nice take to show you something of what it looks like when it comes in, rather than what it looks like when it goes out, when we've done our magic on it. So watch this space, because I'll report on this again at a later date when this is ready to go back to its owner. And so for now, I shall sign off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget you can follow us on Facebook. We've got an active Instagram page as well. And if we can help you with anything upholstery related, then don't hesitate to give us a shout. So from the Needle Rock Workshop, we'll see you next time.